Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Volkswagen Jetta. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat so you can easily reach the pedals and have a clear view of the road. Next, set your side and rearview mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Finally, ensure the steering wheel is at a comfortable height, allowing you to see the instrument cluster clearly. To start your Jetta, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. If it's a key start, insert and turn. For push-button models, simply press the start button. For automatic transmissions, shift into drive. If you have a manual, select first gear. Release the parking brake, then slowly lift your foot off the brake and gently press the accelerator to begin moving smoothly. When driving, always maintain a safe following distance, typically 3 seconds behind the car in front. This gives you ample time to react to sudden stops. Remember to use your turn signals well in advance of any turns or lane changes to communicate your intentions to other drivers. Practice smooth, gradual acceleration and braking to ensure a comfortable and fuel-efficient journey for everyone. Parking your Jetta can be made easier with available parking assist features or by practicing your parallel and perpendicular parking skills. Regular maintenance is key. Check your tire pressure monthly and adhere to the recommended service intervals to keep your Jetta running optimally. And speaking of optimal, life's too short for cheap socks. For other great deals and that fantastic sock link, be sure to check the description below this video. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.